Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share a fun little haul from Envelop's shop, and I was so excited to get these dies in, and I wanted to share. So I picked out this cute little Starburst die set. It's like a nesting die set, and it's really cute. It comes with 4 dies, and they do have a little stitching design around the edges. So super excited for this one. I've been seeing lots of cute projects with that. And then I picked this one out thinking that it would make a cute Christmas card or a Christmas layout. It cuts 2 different layers of little houses with little trees and just super cute. So I did cut that one out as well. And let me go ahead and share what that one looks like. That one cuts 2 rows of little houses. So this is one here, and it's got like a little bit thicker bottom base here than this one, and that's why I think it's made for like layering, and it would make a super cute like shadow box type of card. So with this one being in front of the other one, so really cute, and it cut just really well, as you can see. So there's that one. And then I also picked out this one here. I did get these dies in before Halloween. I just haven't had a chance to share, but this one is super cute. I was really happy with the size of it. It measures about 4.5 wide and 4.5 from bottom to the top of this little piece here, but super cute, a really good size little haunted house. And it comes in a set. It comes with that, and also some letters that spell out Happy Halloween and a little bat. So I'll go ahead and share those as well. So these are the little Happy Halloween letters that it cuts out, and they're a little wonky, but I just kind of have them on this white piece of paper to share, and these cute little bats, so super cute. And then I did cut out the haunted house as well, and I just love the size of this. I've already done some stitching around these with different colored thread because I couldn't decide which one would look better with this pattern paper. And I did some pink glitter paper on the inside of the cutouts here, and my plan is to put these on some memory decks cards, so we'll see. And then there's this one using a lighter pink thread around the edges sewing, and then the same little pink glittery paper in the windows. So I love this one. I thought it was a really cute design. And this one I did more traditional Halloween colors with the orange glitter paper in the background and gold thread for the stitching. So love that one, super cute. And then I also picked out this other little set of banners that you can layer on top of each other or use just alone. So those are really cute, and I cut those out as well so you can see what they look like. They cut really well, and you do have to be careful when you're pulling them out of the die because it's kind of delicate, but I didn't really have a problem with it. Especially with this like a little bit thicker glitter paper. So really cute. I love this. So I can't wait to play with that. And then I picked up this little, it's like an envelope slash like little pocket die. So really cute. I have a little project that I'll be doing with this one here. And the only one that I did not cut out is this one here, which is a set of nesting hearts with like a little scallop edge. Really pretty, but I was thinking ahead to Valentine's Day, and they would work for Christmas too, but I did not cut these ones out. So those are the dies that I received from Envelop shop. And like I said, I have another quick little project that I figured I would share. This is the little pocket envelope. So it is different, you know, it has this little flap that folds up to tuck something in there, and then it folds over, and then you tuck this little edge in there to hold it shut. And you really don't have to glue anything. It's just really cute, and I'm pretty sure it fits a gift card in there. I don't have one on hand, but let me see what it measures. So the inner, once it's folded up, it measures, let me see, 3.5 by about a little under 2 3/4. So that's the measurement. So I cut it out using the Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels. And that's this one here, the Holiday Ballet from their Hot Buys. So that's the paper I used. And like I said, I thought I would just go ahead and finish this little project here with you. So I have these little tags, which I think are so cute. I had to get these. I think they have something similar like every year at Michael's, but I always wait and then I miss out, and I think they're just so cute. It's like North Pole, Sender, Santa, and you put the recipient's name there and you can attach it to a little gift. So I have 3 of these little tags that I'm going to be sharing, and this is the little packaging those come in. So you get from Michael's, they're by Recollections, you get 21 tags or pieces, and they're $5. And I'm not sure if it's 20 tags plus the twine is the other one. So super cute. So I've got 3 little tags in there, and I'm closing it up. And then using some of the little, I did some fussy cutting with the paper collection, and I used the Starburst little die set to cut 2 layers here, and I fussy cut this little image from the paper collection, and I also fussy cut these little holly leaves, added some bling, and I did some, foam layering in between to give it some dimension. So I thought I would just take some twine, and I've got 2 here. I'm not sure which one would look better. I have like a gold or rose gold twine. I thought I could tie it together. And I put this on top. Or I also have this one here that's got it's from Target. It's white with red foiling, and I think I like this one better. So I'm going to wrap it twice, and then just do a quick little bow here. So I'm not even using any adhesive to hold it shut, just a quick little wrap with the twine, a little bow, and then let me get my scissors. And I cut it a little longer because with this one here, it does unravel, and I like to tie the end up a little bit so it doesn't continue to just unravel all the way up. So I'm doing a little knot at the bottom here. Sorry, I don't do too much like live because I don't know. Things seem to always go wrong. So okay. So I did the little bow there with the twine, kind of like double layered. I think I'm going to move this up a little because my little embellishment that I'm going to add to the top is kind of big. So there's that. You can even leave it as is, but since I already have this ready to go, my little layered embellishment. And for this, I added some little stickles to the leaves, a little bling, and then I did use gold stickles along the edge of the little frame that I fussy cut from the paper collection with that cute little nutcracker. So I've already got a strip of double-sided tape here, and I thought it would be cute to just take this and kind of offset layer it. And I think that is super cute and quick if you've got it, already cut out and done. You can, like I said, you can use this for a gift card or a few little gifts, some tags, some sequins mix in there, something cute to gift or to throw in some happy mail. So that's my little share, guys, right there. And I really am loving the Envelop Art Shop dies that I picked out, and I love the way they cut and the size and the design, and just super cute dies. I will link their shop information down below in the description box. So yeah, hope you enjoyed taking a look at that, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.